Did all the interior lights on your 2012 to 2017 Hyundai Accent just stop working at once? The issue is probably just a bad fuse, and the good thing is you have a spare fuse in the car, so let's go ahead and fix it now. Open the driver's side door. Now right where the driver's left side foot would go, that's where the primary hood release lever is. Pull it in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there. Lift up the hood a little bit, put one finger in there and push it left, just like that. Now the hood should open up. To secure the hood in place, we need to use that prop rod over there. Get it out of there, and let's put it in that slot right there. Get the prop rod in there. Once it's in there, just pull it a little bit to the front of the vehicle, like that. Now that's the fuse box right there, right by the battery. Let's get the cover open. Once you get that out, that's the fuse puller. Get the fuse puller out. That's the tool we're going to use to pull the fuses. Now inside the car, first get that other fuse panel cover off. Right behind the cover is the fuse diagram. We're going to use this fuse diagram when we're swapping the fuses. Now if you look at the diagram in the middle there, the fuse holder, you got to squeeze it from the bottom and top. Squeeze it and then pull it out. Now the left side fuse, the red fuse, the 10 amps, that's the one for the interior lamps. So grab your key and twist it around. Make sure you don't break it and pop the fuse off. Get that replacement spare fuse. Get that fuse, and now we'll try and put that fuse back into the fuse holder there. Like that. And it goes. Make sure it clicks in place. Right, we're just swapping 10 amp fuses. We take one off and we put the spare fuse back in. Now we put the entire fuse holder back in its place. Make sure the 10 amp fuse on the left. That's the interior lamp. Alright, 10 amp, the red one is on the left side. Don't put it in the wrong way or it's going to cause other issues. Once you do that, the lights are back on. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to put the fuse cover back on. Now to close the hood, push the hood a little bit. Then get the prop rod out of the slot. Put it back in its place like that. Lower the hood and slam it shut.